Well, if you enjoyed the rain that we received Sunday afternoon and evening, we've got more on tap a little bit tonight and more expected into Tuesday. Live look at radar does show a little light rain activity. This isn't going to amount to much overnight, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain, but more rain into tomorrow morning and a chance to get some afternoon storms out there on Tuesday. So let's break this down. Some more showers will return first half of the day tomorrow. We'll get a break in that activity. That isolated storm threat late in the day will feature a few storms into the evening. Another 1/2 inch of rain will be possible, and I think you're looking for that additional rainfall after we got teased with some light rain on Sunday. Low to mid 60s is where we are now. We should hold steady in the lower 60s overnight tonight with the rain threat, the thicker clouds, and the very humid feeling weather. There's the light shower activity that's with us tonight. Heavier stuff's going to come in for tomorrow that will give us that potential of over 1/2 inch of rainfall. Now, we do have to keep you updated on the tropics because we have an unnamed storm at this point. It is a potential tropical cyclone, the center of the circulation just south of Cuba. But this is going to turn out to be a big deal as we go through the week because it is going to have favorable conditions up into the Gulf of Mexico, rapid intensification into a hurricane. And we may be talking a strong Category 2, perhaps even a Category 3 hurricane as it approaches an imminent landfall later this week somewhere on the Florida coast. And it could be a strong or major hurricane. So we'll keep tabs on that and if it has any impact in our area in that 10-day forecast. One thing I'm going to watch, though, immediately is an isolated strong storm threat tomorrow afternoon. Now, the better threat is going to be south of Toledo, but it's not out of the question we get a few isolated storms if conditions line up just right. They'd have some gusty winds and a very brief window where a few storms could exhibit some rotation. Into the evening or rest of the evening tonight, light rain showers is what we're going to have with us overnight tonight, continuing into Tuesday. So grab the rain gear for the kids out the door tomorrow morning. We'll get a break in that wet weather late morning through early afternoon. We may pop some sunshine. And again, watch for the chance of a second round of showers and storms after 4 p.m. And that's where they could bring some heavier downpours and a few isolated strong storms. Tonight, those showers are going to be with us, at least isolated showers, low 60s. For Tuesday, into the low and mid 70s. Rain going to be likely in the morning, some afternoon showers and storms. Mid 60s or mid 70s on Wednesday, a brief sprinkle in the morning. 78 for Thursday, mid 70s Friday. And that's some great looking weather through the end of the work week into the start of the weekend. Much of the weekend ahead is expected to be dry. The last weekend in September, mid 70s, and rain chances could be partially tied to some of that remnant tropical moisture early next week as we get ready to move into early October.